Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this paint by line Valentine's cutout. First, I'm going to go in and paint my background in the color Sea Glass. Next, I used soft pink, Dixie Belle blue. I'm going in with Daisy Now for my hearts. Then I'll go in with Lucky Lavender for another one of my hearts. And then I used Limeade. And now that those are dry, I'm going in with a number 4 round and some Barn Red and doing just a little bit of lettering on some of my candy hearts. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and begin to outline everything. Once I'm done outlining, I'll go in and highlight everything with a little bit of cotton and a number 4 round. And then, so I'll do that on everything that's not white. And then my little white tag there, I will highlight with Savannah Mist and still that number 4 round. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.